The NAL EasyWynd has been designed and manufactured in direct response to risks associated with working from height, highlighted and faced by traffic signal engineers. EasyWynd eradicates these risks to personnel when maintaining various equipment, including WiMAG repeaters, CCTV, detection appliances and base stations. When bolted onto highway structures, all installations can be carried out from ground level. Thanks to its unique hinge design, the system incorporates a 2-meter extension pole, of which a variety of equipment can be mounted to. The extension pole is secured to a hinged arm, which can be lowered and raised from ground level, with the use of a crank handle. Accommodating both round and square poles, the EasyWynd system can also be retrofitted with ease and speed utilising a standard U-bolt. To remove all working at height risks, the EasyWynd pole can be lowered to ground level when installed in a retention socket with the use of a column mate. The EasyWynd bracket can be fixed to the top of the mounting pole, and the pole itself can either be square or round. Once the appropriate equipment has been installed, the traffic signal pole can be reinstalled into the retention socket, giving full 360-degree orientation. The EasyWynd can be lowered or raised with the use of a crank handle, removing the need for traffic management or access equipment.